Hello, good afternoon. My name is Abdelmoula Eddahdah. Actually, I am located in the Netherlands, working for Omya Netherlands, for Omya International, located in Switzerland. I have visited the show different times as a participant and seeing the very nice setup of the show and the great visitors that are coming to the show. We have decided to showcase our portfolio for the first time this year. It has been a very nice organized event, very heartwarming with all related customers, huge above expectation relating to the amount of customers. We have been very happy to introduce our qualities and also introduce our new business development to our existing customers, and gave us also the opportunity to get in touch with the new customers. Based on the very nice experience and the great organization and the amount of interesting customers that we have been able to meet up, we will be certainly planning to participate in next upcoming show next year. See you soon.